How to create an invisible folder in Windows. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So the first, we right click here and go for new and create a new folder. And as you can see, the folder's name being new folder here as usual. So here we right click on the folder and choose this option for the rename, or we can click on F2. So once here, we need to create an invisible name. So we can click on Alt with 2 +. Some computers or some devices doesn't allow this option, the same as mine doesn't allow. So in that case, I will put you a link in the description where you can go to a website with this name so you can copy the name and put it here on your file. So I'm gonna put number 1 as an example, and later on I will change it to uninvisible. So that's the first step. The second step, we need to hide the icon itself. So we click here, right click, and choose show more options. Click on properties once again, and here go to customize, and click on change icon, and we swipe here until we came to this page. You may choose second or even third, but I can choose the second one here and click on OK, and then click here once again. As you can see, the file is being hidden. In the name, we can change it from the link in description as mentioned. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.